How to fix driver page fault in Freed special cool blue error in Windows. 1. Update Windows and all your drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run a hardware troubleshooter, via msdt.exe ID device diagnostic command. 3. Run the sfc and dism scan as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 5. Use a repair tool. 6. Remove problematic software. 7. Update your SSD firmware. 8. Reset Windows 10. 9. Check if your hardware is working properly.